So with the 8B pencil, I'm going to start about right here for SpaceGodzilla's head. Like, I'm basically going to just draw SpaceGodzilla's head for this picture. So it's going to be coming like, well, it's going to be coming like right here. Like wait, so that. Okay, so like that. It was just raining out. I'm sure you heard that because it was just raining. I wanted to make a video when it was raining because, like, you know, I have not made a video when it was raining in a while. But yeah, so just like that. I'm gonna make that part like a bit bigger. So, yeah, my eraser. So I'm gonna actually make this look like actually like roaring. My last video looked like so lame and you know, just so now I'm actually gonna bring this like right about there. Just gonna come like that. So it's supposed to be skinny right there. Just gonna get wider. And then just gonna go like that. And then I'm just gonna bring it like that. And then it will just come down like right here. So before we get down to that part, I'm going to draw the top of SpaceGodzilla's face. So the top, it looks like so. I think it comes like this, and like I don't really know. Wait, so like it goes a bit like, oh great. So I just have it like that. There's a bit of an interruption there again, but I'm gonna start having his teeth. So they just like come like this. And like they're like, there's a lot of them. So probably gonna add chapters to this video like I did with my other video that you might have not seen yet. My upcoming video. So just like that, I'm gonna have it like that right there. So now I'm gonna have like, I'm just gonna have like some of this for like there, just here and there. And so now I'm gonna like have a crystal coming right here. That doesn't look like a crystal, does it? Yeah, just gonna come right there. Well, it's not supposed to be a crystal. It's like a, just like a, it's just. So I'm gonna have this side right here. It's gonna come like this. Then it's just gonna like go down right there. I'm gonna have, so before we continue with that part, I'm gonna have this part right here. So it's like around right here, so. And like, it's just gonna like, so like, it's just gonna have it like, we're just gonna have it like that. It's like, this part like comes, before that part, it like, oh yeah, that was supposed to be way smaller. I do not recommend pencil and eraser for these tutorials. because, or I meant a Sharpie for this tutorial. I hope you did not just click off of this video right now. I meant Sharpies for this because I messed up and you might have not drawn it correctly. Like, so, like, I'm gonna have like this part, like, it just comes like that. And I'm just gonna have this part. I'm sure people will be freaking out if they saw this video, but so like there's like more parts right back here. Like it doesn't matter. It does not matter. They're just like smaller crystals right here. So like that, I did not expect it to turn out like that. So just like that, I might have spoken too early. So it's just, now I'm gonna add the teeth right here. Like, teeth are gonna be back here. Like, it's not gonna be visible, but like they go. Wait, so like I'm gonna have like it's just like that, and then so I'm gonna finish this part. It's just gonna come right here. Like, I don't really know how it's supposed to be. I don't know how it's supposed to be, but I don't think that's right. So I'm just gonna have this part just gonna come right here. So it's just gonna like be like that. So just like this. I don't know how this is looking, but it's fine. So yeah, that's good like that. I might need to add some bigger teeth some places because like the teeth are quite small, I realized, but there's a lot of them. So, yep, and there's like more right in the bottom jaw, but there's not as many. So, I'm gonna spend a lot of time on teeth, but I need to keep this straight too. But before I should keep doing the teeth. I just need to skip a section. I think I wasn't looking when I did that part. Like, I'm gonna skip that part because we needed this crystal right here. So, I come like right here. So just putting that right there. So we should do the same on this one too. So yeah, we got that. And yeah, I really don't know if he has a tongue though. Whatever, I don't think I I don't think he does have a tongue. I don't know. But whatever. Oh, I think yeah, he does have a tongue. But like, it's just gonna like, oh, it's hard to draw because he doesn't have like a fleshy thing. It shouldn't be this big, right? I don't know, but just tell me in the comments what you think could have been improved. But I'm gonna have that part. So like that, I improved this tongue because it was very incredibly short. And so, just some more teeth right here. So, like that. Okay, so I'll re-add these parts. Just gonna like have that right there. We haven't gotten the eye yet, but okay, so his neck is quite, I don't know if it's too long or something, but it's like, I don't really know. So it's like right about here, I'd say, I think. And then it'll just go down there. I don't really know. Well, I don't really know what. I don't know too much, but okay, so I'm just gonna have this. So just like that, I'm gonna have like that. But first, before we continue, let's just have this. So I'm just fixing that there. So I'm going to make this part come in right there. And then, no, this part goes in right there, and I'll connect this part like right here. And then we will have like these things. They like come around like, what am I thinking? So like, it's actually just like that. I don't like, kind of like that. And then I'll just like, right about, okay, I accidentally went a bit too far. I went too far on this video. I accidentally went too far. Just pause the video if you need to copy anything. So, yeah, just pause the video. And so I'm gonna come right here. I forgot I wasn't even recording, but whatever. gonna like have this like probably come down there. And yeah, just something like that. So, and now I'm just gonna draw the eye. So the eye just comes about right here. I don't really, I'm gonna use the HB, the 3B pencil that I have never used in this video. Wow. I'm gonna have his eye like coming like right like this. Yes. I don't know, but yeah, it's not worth it, but I'm gonna have this part. It's gonna come up here and just gonna come like that. So you can just see like the thing in between there, in between the eye. That's what's making it look weird. Like that. So yeah, that's it for today's video on how to draw SpaceGodzilla.